I'm Jessie from the Ormond Beach Regional Library. In today's how-to project, I'm going to show you how to use washi tape and make it into nail art. You're only going to need a few supplies. You'll need a top coat and a base coat, or a 2-in-1 formula works just fine. A couple strips of parchment paper, a pencil, some scissors, preferably nail scissors if you have them, and then of course a roll of washi tape in your favorite pattern. Just make sure it's big enough to cover all of your nail beds. Right, let's get started. Before decorating your nails, be sure to shape them to your desired length and perform any other practices in your normal nail care routine. The first step we're going to apply a base coat, but be sure to let it dry before you begin anything else. This is going to protect our nails from the stickiness of the washi tape. For our next step, we're going to take our washi tape and we'll place a strip of it on our parchment paper. After you've got your washi tape laid out, we're going to cut it into 10 squares wide enough to fit our nail beds. So I have gone ahead off camera and done my left hand so you can see what the final result will look like. I'm actually left-handed, so this hand was a lot harder to do, so I'll show you doing my right hand. First, you're going to take a square of your parchment paper washi tape. You're going to peel it off and lightly stick it to your nail. Then you'll take your pencil and make an outline around the shape of your nail. You can just do the sides and the bottom, and then we can cut the top to size. You can also make your outlines as dark as you need to. I'm making mine pretty light, but you can always erase them later. Then we'll peel it off gently, stick it back onto our parchment paper, and then we're just going to cut that outline. I left a little parchment paper at the top so it's easier to peel off. I'm sticking it back on my nail. It's not going to perfectly cover my whole nail. I've left a little bit on the sides. This is going to help us when we seal it with our top coat, because it'll cover both your nail and the washi tape, so the washi tape won't fall off. And now I'm just going to trim the top. You can also fold it a little bit over the top of your nail, and that will also help to seal it. All right, let's do that again. So I'm peeling my washi tape off. I'm sticking it to the bed of my nail. Let's not mix up our scraps in our current parchment paper. I'm making an outline. Then I'll peel it back off slowly. Stick it onto my parchment paper. And then I'm going to cut out that outline, leaving the top untrimmed for now. Then I will peel it off of the parchment paper, stick it back on my nail one last time. And then I'll trim down the top. Missed a little bit there. If you want to, you can even cut into your nail a little bit because we are using nail scissors. If you're using regular scissors, I don't recommend that. All right, now a third time, we're peeling our washi tape off, putting our parchment paper aside, sticking it onto your nail bed, outlining with the pencil, peeling off, back onto the parchment paper, and then we'll cut it with our nail scissors. Now if you want to, you could just cut an outline of your nail without using the pencil. There's really no right or wrong way to do this. And where I'm using a washi tape with a white background, if I miss a little bit of my nail, you're not going to notice it. Now I'll trim the top. And this one I cut a little crooked, so I'm just going to fold the excess underneath my nail. There we go. That time I actually ended up trimming my nail. It was a little long anyway. The more you practice with this, the easier it's going to be. Now our last step, we're going to place some clear coat on top of all of our washi tape. Ta-da! Thanks for watching today. For other nail art ideas, you can check our print or online catalog. You can also follow us at Volusia Reads on both Instagram and YouTube for other how-to ideas. Bye!